we have the items that should have come with your installation kit. We have the screen protector, we have the microfiber cloth, we have the squeegee with the felt end, we have the alcohol pad, we have the proprietary installation solution, a rubber glove, and of course you'll need your cell phone. The first thing you want to do before you start your installation is wash your hands. It's important that your hands are clean so you're not getting fingerprints. Naturally you get grease on your hands and you just don't want to be touching your phone with your hands all greasy. After you've washed your hands, if you have a phone cover on your phone, remove that. I've already done that here. So now we'll get ready to install it. After you've washed your hands, removed your phone case, and verified that you received all of the tools in your installation kit, you can begin your installation. The first thing you're going to want to do is put on the latex glove. The latex glove is going to help so that you don't get your fingerprints on the adhesive side of the screen protector, and it'll also help after you've cleaned it. If any little dust particles do settle on there, you'll be able to use the hand with this glove to get those off of there. A couple things to keep in mind. When you begin your installation, you want to be in a dust-free environment. So I wouldn't be in an area where you have heat vents above you or cold air vents that will kick on while you're installing your phone protector and blow dust onto your phone. So anyway, just try and be in a dust-free environment. So the first thing you're going to do after you put on your latex glove is grab your alcohol pad. You use your alcohol pad to thoroughly clean the screen of your phone. You want to get all the dirt and dust off of there before you install your screen protector. The ideal time, honestly, to install this is right before you go to bed at night. The screen protector needs about 3 to 5 hours to properly adhere to your screen after installation. If you don't have that time or you don't want to do it before you go to bed, you're doing it in the middle of the day or whatever, you can speed up the process by heating the material with a blow dryer or putting it in direct sunlight for a while so it dries out. After you've cleaned it thoroughly with your alcohol pad, you can use the microfiber cloth that was included to wipe it down. And I like to take long strokes like that to clean it, push anything that's on there off. Just verify that you've got all the dust off there and it's as clean as it can be. And then you can grab your screen protector. Now you want to handle your screen protector with the hand that has the glove on there so you don't get any fingerprints on the back. So just remove that. And then grab the installation solution that was included. And you want to thoroughly spray the back of it, making sure there are no dry spots. The idea behind this stuff is it allows the screen protector to slide on your phone so you can position it really easily. So pull that off, spray it. So, verify again that you don't have any dust. I do see a little speck of dust on mine. I'm just going to use a hand with the glove on it to get it off of there. It looks good. Just got all the dust off. You can set your screen protector on there. And again, you can see that this installation solution will allow you to position the pattern. If you press firmly on there, it'll be difficult to move it. So just kind of initially lightly put it on there, line up, make sure your reveal on all the edges look good, your home button is lined up. Once you're happy with the position of it, pretty happy with that right there. Those look good. Home button looks good. Then just push down here in the center of your phone. That'll make that stick really well. Grab the squeegee that was included using the felt side. Start in the middle, keep holding down the center with your finger and just push it up like that. And start in the middle here, push it down like that. This gel, or this installation solution, it's not going to hurt your table or anything. Don't worry about that, it cleans up pretty easy. If you have a bigger cloth to help, that'd be advantageous when you're just wiping it off your table. Then you use your microfiber cloth like I have to just kind of finish cleaning up the gel off of the phone. And there you have it. That was installed. Now I would wait 3 to 5 hours before you put back on your phone case. One thing to keep in mind also is that you're going to see some hazing. After you install this, you will see some hazing on the phone. After about 3 to 5 hours, that'll go away and it will be virtually invisible. So there you have it.